it's Faye. Welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to do a haul, but not just any kind of haul, a lip hop haul. Well, a lot of these things came from YESSTYLE, so a YESSTYLE lip hop haul. I want to be completely transparent with you guys here. Normally with YESSTYLE, they will give creators and influencers anywhere from $500 to $1,000 to spend on YESSTYLE. So I just wanted to be honest, it's not from my pocket, but this unprioritized pile of laziness that you see behind me is worth about $2,000 to $3,000. It doesn't look like it. I love lip hop and everything on my Instagram is basically lip hop, not sponsored. There's no order, by the way, if you haven't noticed. I'm gonna do this haul in no specific uniformed way, just as my heart feels and whatever my hand grabs. Yes, I'm a little naked. So lip hop has the best. Honestly, they need to sponsor me. They have the best sweatsuits. I'm obsessed with coordinated sweatsuits, all right? I love it. It just makes you look like you tried when you didn't. These are the sweats. They fit perfectly. I absolutely love all of Lip Hop's cropped sweaters. They crop it so that they cinch it at the waist and it gives you a nice shape. So it's still super flattering to your body type no matter what. Honestly, I wear this too much. I've been shopping for all these pieces since fall time. I'm not too sure if a lot of these stuff are in stock anymore, but I'll make sure to link their website. And also, my partner, I can't breathe. And I'll make sure to link them on YESSTYLE because you can actually save money with my code if you want. No pressure. I just spat. My bad. I did not mean to be rude. So I recently got these and I don't know how I feel about it because they kind of don't fit me. I feel like they're a little too small for me and I can't make it look good. I'm super short, so it's like if they were a little bit baggier, I think it would be cute. So, pink joggers! I'm obsessed with skirts. If you haven't noticed, don't be fooled. This is actually a Skort skirt. I'm pretty lucky that I fit this because it's like stretchy. Most of their skirts, especially like jean skirts, they don't fit me quite yet. Sizes in Asia are a lot smaller than sizes in the US, so it's super cute because it has this asymmetrical cut going down here. You can see. Absolutely adore this skirt. Anything asymmetrical, go! So here are examples that don't fit me. That's a fun topic to talk about. So this is a large in Asian sizes and it still doesn't fit me, so I haven't attempted to slide it up my body. I don't like rejection, but we'll try anyway. Wait. It's kind of cute. So it has this split right here in the middle so you can go pee. Oh my god, that's oh my god, my fly just opened. On to the next. A lot of my clothes right now, or the clothes that I've always had, nothing really fits me anymore because of this whole weight loss thing. I say that so not confident. It's fun to kind of upgrade my wardrobe. My style changed a lot. So it's nice to be pushed out of my comfort zone. This is another skirt. Wait, I didn't fit this when I first got it. Super cute, right? Very biker girl kind of look, or e-girl. A lot of their skirts are Skorts. When it comes like this and it's jean, it doesn't normally fit me. Please, let's just try. Try? I have the strength to zip. Okay, it fits. I'm being dramatic. But I can't zip. I can't zip. Oh, I zipped! You can tell it's so tight on me. Like you can see. But it's so cute! Well, you can see. You see my belly right here. It's like perfect shortness. Excluding the little pouch. It's cute! Don't take off your underwear. Don't take off your underwear. The next set is actually this set. Boring, right? Like not cute at all. There's a little string here. You can cinch in this area, makes your boobies look more perky. If I didn't have my shirt, it would be a cute crop top. Again, I was kind of like hesitant about this sweat. Kind of gives me a pouch, you know? Pouches just means more loving. So this is the next set. You guys see me wear this all the time. It comes with a little beater like this. Then you can pair it with this top on top if you don't like showing off too much skin. I am not that comfortable with my arms, so I normally like to pair something on top. And this is my dominant shoulder. Just kidding, I have a tattoo on this side. If you are more of a chest girl, then be mindful that this will squeeze the girls a bit because their sizes run one size. So I love this so much that I bought it in purple as well. The purple one doesn't suit me as much. I'm not gonna try it because it's just slang. Okay, maybe I'll try it. But it is still very thotty, so I'm bringing collar back, yes. This gives me baseball golf mom vibes. As you can see, it is collared. I mean, not a lot of people wear collared things anymore, but something about this top. However, this fabric is see-through, so you have to be mindful when you're picking a bra to wear under, or just wear a tank, you know? Do what you want, look like what you want. Once again, I have a set. This top is extremely small. Normally when I'm wearing this, I don't like to wear a bra underneath because it's just like a at-home kind of sweat outfit. I posted this on my Instagram and a lot of you guys really liked the color, and me too. The only issue I have with this is that it's extremely long. So freaking long that it makes me look like I'm purposely trying to mop the floors when I'm just trying to go get my chips. Whatever. So I got this jogger top. There are strings here that you can tie up so you can cinch it. It says subculture, what is it? Lip hop? Sculpture 924 to stand for the sculpture of your body. Are you here to bow? So this has a velvet texture on the outside, but in the inside, it's pretty much just this. Okay, this is way too small, so I'm definitely gonna... My arms. I can't breathe. It looks so weird on me because it's so small. Look, you can see the bottom of my bra. Matching sweatpants. I don't want to show you guys. This is horrendous on me. Yeah, this is not it, chief. We're gonna have to suspend this outfit. Someone's struggling. This is definitely one of my favorites. I like wearing this without a bra on though because it has its own padding. However, I will say, disclosure, the padding in this top, it can literally be butt cushions for me. It's so thick, you have no idea, like thick. Okay, this doesn't help that I have a bra on. It comes with this on top as well, and you know me, I like that. I would prefer wearing this at home anyway, but the reason why I really like this top, holy crap, the padding. It kind of falls to the side of my chesticles. My boobs are not big, but they're wide. Because my chesticles are so wide, they tend to kind of flop and sit more to the side. So because the padding is on the side, I can kind of scoop it and hold it in place. So actually this top, you can wear it as a shirt. So it looks like this and you're not too revealed. But yeah, you can wear it like this. However, it makes me look way too heavy up here. So I like to kind of open it up and you can immediately see how unrestricted I am. I absolutely love these strapless tops. Ignore the bra straps, but because I was so obsessed, I got this in white. And one of my faves in khaki or nude or beige or whatever you want to call this. I think this color is super flattering on my skin tone. On days you want to look simple and like just neutral. On days I don't want to stand out. I just want to wear something like this. With that being said, I low-key have an obsession with green. I don't know why. Okay, first of all, this is see-through, so you can totally see my bra. But yeah, I have this weird obsession with neon greens. However, this isn't as neon. Something about green kind of flatters. I would like to think it kind of flatters the body. I rarely have any green in my closet, so I mean, this will be fun for summer. If, you know, we ever get there. Am I the only one who makes sounds while taking off their clothes? I love this. Ignore the straps. See? This is a cute little tank that I like to think really balances out my proportions. I actually have broad shoulders, or I like to say my body shape is like a triangle. I'm laughing because I'm uncomfortable. I always feel like my shoulders are too big, too broad. You know, they're not slim enough. My shoulders, boob, waist. So wearing tanks that have this kind of shape, even like a halter top, it kind of helps balance out your proportions a bit. It helps draw the eye in this area so you don't look so much like this, but instead like this. Did that make sense? I bought this little orange crop sweater, super cropped, too cropped. Literally stops right where the boob kind of stops. I don't really mind because I have a short torso anyways. I'm just short in general, so this kind of makes me look not too drowned in my clothes. Again, I have my days where I want to be neutral, but then I have my days where I want to wear neon greens and oranges and yellows and reds. You can zip this up if you want and look like you just came out of jail. I'm on probation, guys. This matches my makeup today. Next piece, this leather jacket. When I first got this, I was like, yikes. I don't know if I like it at all, but I come to really like it. It's been in my closet for like 3 months, not gonna lie. It's still leather jacket, but cropped. Come on, you don't see a baggy, cropped leather jacket just floating around. Wait, actually you do. I'm just not as diverse. I'm just not as trendy. I just don't, I don't go out much. This is a jean jacket. It's the first jean jacket I got off of Lip Hop. At first I wasn't too sure about this, but I'm obsessed. Listen, window. It's the perfect boyfriend jean jacket. Perfect. Looks literally like your boyfriend's. It also comes with this. Button it up. I'm not gonna do that. It's too much work. And cinch it at the waist so you can wear it as a dress if you want, but it doesn't look like a dress on me. It has the little cute red Lip Hop sign here, which I love the red on the jean. Details matter to me. You can wear this kind of preppy and old school like this, or you could be a little bit more scandalous and wear something like off the shoulder, tuck it in whatever you're wearing a bit so it gives a little bit more shape up here. Either way, you slay. That was so cringe. Oh, did I tell you I got another tink? A nice dark gray moment, you know? I think this was supposed to come with pants as well, but it just hasn't arrived yet. Got lipstick on it. So much dust. I'm absolutely obsessed with this crop sweater because it cinches right here to give you shape. Love the big hoodie. The only downside about this is that it just has so much lint flying out. I could just see it all over. Actually, I wore this on a road trip to Chicago once recently. If you're from the vlog channel, you'll know. The dude was like, it's so dusty in here. I just cleaned my car. And I was like, psst, no you didn't. Look at all the lint. He was like, it's from your sweater. And I was like, no, it's not, in denial for a bit. And then I realized it was. So my bad. It's a great story I wanted to tell you. Just had to know. Here's another crop sweater to lounge in. As you guys can tell, I really like clothes that I can lounge in. Something soft and comfy and cute, but still very like street style. You can throw on a jean jacket or a leather jacket and still be very like fashionable. So I picked out this top because of the color. Something about this has a more beige, muted green tone to it. I enjoy the way it sits on my body, especially when I throw it off the shoulder. You can obviously just wear it properly. I have it a little bit more wide up here, but I like the dominant left shoulder. You do, however, have to keep in mind that it is see-through. The fabric is kind of in a knotted chain look. Okay, I feel like everything else is just like getting more boring, but I got this dress, right? And I'm too nervous to even try it on. It's kind of like a bodycon dress. Nope. The sleeves are so long. I look like Pepto-Bismol. I wouldn't necessarily say this is my style. It frames the pouch a little too well, so I'm not too sure about this. It makes this all look too much. Well, I mean, it's not a bad dress. Not gonna lie, it's cute. I definitely don't have the confidence to wear something like this yet, especially my muffin top, you know what I mean? We'll think about this one. Here's another dress. Why does it look like this? I don't really know. I look like pumpkin soup. It has this line where this orange fades into this like more see-through color, so it's different, and I don't know if that's because my boobs are supposed to be like here. I don't know. This is a little confusing. I don't know if it fits. It doesn't really flatter me. Let's just not, okay? Focus, pocus. Yeah, I'll pass. I bought this t-shirt that has this scoop around the neck and longer sleeves to kind of cover up the little muffins and cookies here. The neckline makes me look so weird. It's like a perfect ice cream scoop. It makes me look round up here. Every time I have this shirt on, I'm like, oh, it's fine. And then I keep looking at it and I'm just like, no. Either way, it's so cute. The white one looks a little bit better. So hope it tickles your pickle. Let's pretend we don't have bras. Hey, it's kind of cute. I thought it was kind of weird at first. You can wear this and tuck it into a skirt or something to make it look a little more formal, or you can wear it casually. So I also bought this skirt. This is a cream color and I loved it because of this cut right here. Am I the only one who does this? Okay, you know what I mean. My pouch is not helping me, but the skirt is actually pretty cute if I flatten up a bit, you know? The top, however, looks sophisticated. Like you're about to drink some wine, or you're at a meeting about wine. It's a cute little date night shirt, or a parent meeting shirt. I totally forgot. It's great for the summer. You can wear this to the beach. Little ties you can tie in the front. It's just this oversized white blouse, but it's a more soft cotton fabric. I wore this on top of my bathing suit when we were in Vegas. Fun times. I'm uploading those vlogs very late and a lot of people are freaking out that I'm in Vegas, but I'm not. I'm here. Make sure you watch my vlogs. This is like the most grandma shirt I have out of Lip Hop. Every time I wear this, I literally feel like my mom. This color. Whatever floats your boat. And then this top, I have a love-hate relationship with. I don't know why. I think it's too baggy, or like the way it sits on my body. I don't know. Am I thrown off because of the color? Or am I just a picky girl? This too makes me look like a grandma. I don't know why. I look like a mom. Not that that's bad because I actually want to be a mom. Not anytime soon. Okay, what I'm saying is that it's not me, but it could be you. We are down to our last top, which is a lounging clothing item. I love that. And here to tis. This is the last piece, guys. I feel like a flying squirrel. I don't know what it says. It says your armpits do not stink. They smell great. It doesn't say that. There was a time I learned for being, I can't see under my boob, special. What? It's saying you're not special. I'm a fur baby because there's certain color on top, but then when you lift the arms or something, they're like completely not. I really like this because then I don't have to wear pants. I don't like wearing pants. That is all of the clothes that I could find. Again, I've been shopping on Lip Hop from YESSTYLE for a couple months now, since like early fall. So I've just accumulated a whole bunch of clothing pieces, as you can tell, and a whole bunch of them are either in the laundry, misplaced, hanging, stuffed. My closet's a shit show. These were all the items I found, and that's how I spent, but really not, $2,000 to $3,000 on Lip Hop. That is it for this video. I'm gonna go grocery shopping. I think you guys heard it enough, but for my viewers and my fam and my Lindas, I just want you guys to be healthy. Don't spread germs. Stay inside. Listen to BTS. Watch some K-pop memes and reduce your chip intake. That's it for this video, and until next time, I'm sending love. Bye.